Again, we are staying to Fray Sustainability Award. Who will be next? If you ask me, I cannot guess. I have to see it. I've seen a little bit, but not in detail. The next winner is Professor Poeppelmeier. He's director of a sustainability institute. Sure, this is one of the reasons of getting the award, but not only because of that. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. So, chemical in the field of solid-state materials chemistry is a very interesting field, multidisciplinary field. It's very important to mention, which is SIPS. And this is the award with your name in it. Thank you very much. And the certificate. And in order to follow our standard, let's go this way. You keep this with this, like this. And here, give me your hand. No, keep it. Okay, good, good. You can say a few words.
Well, thanks to this organization. This is the second time I've attended this conference, and I want to thank the organizers for this award. But most importantly, I think I want to thank the 20 or 25 students and friends that came to this symposium. They've done a lot of the work that's contributed to my successes, and I really want to thank all of them. There's a bunch here at the front table and others scattered around in the audience. And I think I should also give a small shout out to Stan Whittingham, who, along with John Longo, in about 1978, hired me to come to work at Exxon. And so I was able to see a lot of the developments of what was going on in Stan's laboratory and in the whole energy scene at Exxon, which was a spectacular place. And Exxon was going to become the Bell Labs of the energy world, we often said, because we were neighbors with Bell Laboratories. So it's been a wonderful experience, but really hopeful for the future of sustainability. And all of us are keenly interested in that. And with all the younger people here, it's going to be inevitable that the world will be a better place and a more sustainable world because of all of your efforts. So thank you for the award, but I also want to just again thank all the students and colleagues that have made my success possible.
Yeah. He cannot live without his colleague. He asked us to bring 2 tables together. Last night we will manage it, tonight we didn't. Here, your certificate is here.
Thank you.
Okay. So, where are your colleagues at the table? Where is the second table that we couldn't mention? Can you raise it? Oh, then. Stand up, okay. So, we honor that this way. We couldn't put them together. So, what's next? This is bits of pieces from a life of a scientist. Ken in 1973. Father-son moment in 2018. Mark, me, Neil, and Adam. Family photo. Again, these photos are not taken because of war, because he was not aware of war, because a symposium dedicated after his name. It's a big distinction. A family photo in St. Louis. Allison celebrating a Eureka moment in a family in 2017. A group photo at SIPS. Oh, I didn't know this. This was in, where was that? That was in Cyprus. Yes. This was in Cyprus with Professor Tresor. Yes, I remember This is our conference, SIPS in 2019 in Cyprus. Here, catch and release the fishes. That's what you do also with solid state chemistry. You catch and release. Probably it's a good idea. You have to see. Probably might work. And then here with Miguel. Miguel couldn't come. Fortunately, he was almost coming. Miguel Alario. He just last moment he got sick. But then next year he's promising to come. This is in Spain. And here is elected foreign member of Spanish Academy of Science. And here in Chicago at Cloud Gate in 1917. Research group in 2017.